Hi, it's Erin, the research assistant that worked with you at Sunnybrook Hospital while you were completing the ReMiND study. This video is to help you understand the information that you will find in your feedback form. This information can be found on page 2 of the report.
You will find a summary table within this report. The first column will tell you the type of information and what exactly is being measured. The second column shows the published guidelines for each type of information. The third column summarizes your own data from the sensors. In this example here, the type of information being measured is sleep. We are measuring the number of hours of sleep across a 24-hour period from noon to noon. The guidelines recommend getting 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep on a regular basis. For this participant, they were asleep for an average of 6.8 hours per 24-hour period, with the lowest amount of sleep being 5 hours and the highest amount of sleep being 10.3 hours in a 24-hour period. We have also included some graphs within this report. Although we showed sleep in the table above, in this example, we are going to look at daily total step count. The title here tells you the type of information displayed within the graph. On the left-hand side, the text tells you the date on which the data was collected. Each graph will show you a daily value for each day that you wore the sensors. On the bottom, the text tells you how the data on the graph is measured. The bars, and the numbers written within the bars, summarize your data from the sensors. The farther the bar is to the right, the higher the number. On some of the graphs, there may be a dashed line that shows the recommended value for the type of information that is being shown, as seen by the green line here. Where appropriate, there will be a sentence below the graph that will help you interpret the data. So, for this example, this graph here is showing a summary of a participant's daily total step count data. It is being measured from Monday, December 3rd until Friday, December 7th by looking at the number of steps taken each day. These bars represent the participant's data from the sensors. In this example, the lowest step count value was 6,000 steps per day, while the highest step count value was 9,000 steps per day. On most of the days, you can see that the daily total step count is greater than the green line, which shows the recommended amount of steps per day.
Thank you for participating in the ReMiND study. Take care!